Welcome everyone to the final presentation of Assembly Gamejam. Yay! This is Sunday morning, I think, which means that you all made it. The jam is finally over, so let's give another round of applause for everyone who participated. It's been a long weekend with all kinds of code and graphics and music and sound and stuff happening at Assembly, and we are going to go have a little look at how every team has been doing during this weekend and what kind of games you've been making. But first off, some stuff that happened. We got to the news, that's cool, and there were some beautiful lights during the night. We have actually, if you have taken some pictures during the jam and you haven't posted those to the Discord, please do so. It would be nice to kind of see your jamming setups and how the jamming has been for you during this Assembly Game Jam. Schedule, well, this is mostly what we did during the morning updates. We go through what happened, but now pretty much everything has happened, so it's done. There's no more schedule other than this ending ceremony that we are doing right now. Yay. Stats. Last year we had a slide about some stats during the ending ceremony of the Game Jam, which highlighted some of the numbers we had on this Game Jam. And this year we spent 60.5 hours making games. Some of that was spent sleeping, hopefully. But overall the jam lasted 60.5 hours. We had 41 jammers. That's a lot. Yay, nice. I'm not sure if there were like 41 of us here, but at least 41 registrations to the jam, which is really cool. And 14 games, so altogether we made 14 games during this weekend, which is really nice. Oh, and Samuel, who couldn't make it here because he's sleeping, listened 30 hours of Petro and ate 7 monkeys during this weekend. He lost one light board, but got the light board back with Pauli's autograph. That's cool. Yay. I think he's still listening to Petro. Yes. So games. This is the main thing that we are going to do now. So just like in the morning updates, we are going to go through the themes. We are going to show your gameplay video or some sort of other visual stuff that you have been posted. You've posted to Discord, and then if the team wants to come here and give like a short word about their game and how their experience during this jam was, you don't have to come here and talk, but if you want, that would be cool. We have the microphone here, and of course we will start with the theme. The theme for this game jam was the other side, and there has been 14 games about this theme, which vary a lot between each other. So now we will see how the jammers took this theme and made it in the game of some sort. And of course, we will start with the first theme, the green side of the moon, and we can watch the gameplay video of that from the channel here. So are there people from team number 1 here? Yes, do you want to come to the stage and say something about this beautiful game? I can leave it playing on the background if you want to speak.
Yeah. Is the audio on in this? 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. No.
Is
Okay.
the-
How about now? No. I guess I'll just shout. That's probably fine. Or no. Here we go.
Yay.
Yay. So yeah, we have not slept last night. This is probably the craziest jam game that I ever done. We ended up making a lot of levels. How many was it?
23 levels, I believe. So we thought that we have 19, but then we counted it with code, and it happened to be 21, and then we wanted to add 2 extra levels. So we have 23 levels, and yep.
Yeah, I'm really happy with the end result though. It was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun, and it's been a good time. Yeah.
Go play it.
Yay. Thank you. And all the games that are published to itch.io are playable on the Jam side that we will share later. But yeah, thank you for team number 1. Next up, let's see what team number 2 was doing. So, team number 2, multi-retro platform puzzle. We have a video about that as well here. This one. Nice. Do we have people from team number 2 here? Yes. Let's hear about this mysterious game.
Maybe better to show the screenshot.
Screenshot, okay. Here, this one. From the...
We also haven't slept. Making a game for 2 platforms at the same time is not highly recommended, but it was quite an interesting experience to try to get the code base with C to work with 2 different platforms. And we had a lot of issues with the Super Nintendo, a lot less with Mega Drive, and that's just because the homebrew development tools for Mega Drive are more mature than what Super Nintendo has to offer.
So if anyone actually deploys the ROM to an EverDrive cassette or whatever and plays the game on the Super Nintendo, rest assured the colors are correct. They're just at the wrong indexes.
And the game itself actually turned out pretty okay. So how it works is that we have 2 televisions, and both of them have 1 console. And those consoles have, you can maybe think it as like an escape room, this kind of like simple puzzles. But most of the solutions are found from the other screen. So that's where the other side comes from.
Nice. That's really cool. Let's give a round of applause. Yay. Thank you. Lovely to see people make games for the old hardware as well, and kind of experiment with the possibilities of using multiple hardwares at the same time. Next up, we have team number 3, Stranger Side, and I don't think they had... Oh yeah, actually they have gameplay video. Nice. Wow, eerie and mysterious. Do we have anyone from this team here? No? And it's okay not to come to the stage as well. But that looks really cool. Can't wait to see what's in the forest. Yay! Let's continue. So, team number 4, Ghosted Notes. There's Sika and Petro as well. I think there was, yes, video here. Nice. Do we have anyone from this team here? Yes, come to the stage. Can you describe what we are seeing on the screen here?
Hi. So, yeah, I'm sorry I missed most of the jam because of trouble, but this is for the Nintendo Wii, and you control the flashlight with the remote and the character with the nunchuck. And late last night we got the game together, so you can only move when you are in the flashlight position or you're visible, and then you get to find. You'll see a little sparkles where the ghost has left the notes. And when you find your way over there, you will see a note. And they are funny. Or terrible. How do you say it? But yeah. So it was a very last minute came together thing. But I'm really happy with the art. Thank you so much. And I think I will polish it a bit and then release. Yeah.
Yay. Thank you. Cool to see games made for Wii. I think you made a game for Wii last time as well. Yes, we will have a collection of Wii games made in assembly game jams at some point. That's really cool. Okay, team number 5, Don't. I think we didn't have a gameplay video of this. Do we have members from team number 5 here? Okay, yeah. We got some visuals and information with the game, but it's really cool. Let's give a round of applause for team number 5 as well. Yay. Okay, team number 6, Life Aberration Plantation. I think we got a gameplay video of this as well here. Yes, here. I can leave it playing on the background. Do we have anyone from this team here who want to present? Yes, come to the stage. Awesome. Oh, and when you are talking to the microphone, make sure that it's like right next to your mouth, that it picks up your volume. So go near the microphone if you want to speak. Hello.
Like this? Hello.
Yes, like that. Thank you.
So this team was actually really good for us because we had decided we want to make like PS1 style horror game or something like that. So we decided to go with this anomaly game. So the idea is that you loop in this room for the same day, like loops over and over, and you have to check the spot the anomalies in the surroundings. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't any. And when you get the score to 10, you wake up. It's at the end of the video. It's quite long, but yeah.
Right. We can skip to it if you want.
Yeah, we can skip. It's yeah, and there are like multiple different anomalies. It was really hard to get the proper gameplay video showing them all because it's really random when they come. But yes. This is what we managed to make, and I'm super happy how, like, finished it is. Thanks.
Yay. Thank you so much. Perfect ending. I'm really curious about the cats. I want to see more of them. Right, thank you so much. So, next up we have Team 7, Fairy Forest, and there was some videos about the game. I think it was here, yes. I'll let it play it on the background. Do you have anyone from this team here? Yes, Teemu. Welcome to the stage. And more people. Oh, people are coming here. Nice.
Yes. Oh, let's get everyone. Hello. Yes. So our game is that you jump into a reflection in the lake and get into the other side of the fairy world. Super nice project for us. I'm really happy that what we got done. There's some invisible technology behind. You can see the compass on the top. There's actually like space-time kind of compressions in the fairy world, so it's like compresses the movement and and your vision, and like you make the most complex math and stuff into the game, and then it ends up like looking like it's actually, I'm feeling like it's glitched. So yeah, don't try that. Anything else you want to say?
I don't know. I mean, our initial idea was just a lake, so yeah, let's do something with it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's really cool to see like how many different ways the team can be taken as for your game. Like all of these games have been really unique and cool. Let's see, we have plenty of games still left, so let's move on and see what other things people have been making. Team 8, to get to the other side. And actually, if you want, I can play it. Why? Yes.
Special request. Can you download the Windows build? The audio doesn't work so well on the web build.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. I hope this won't reveal my secret files. Oh, there's... okay, fine. Yes, you can take it.
Yay. Trust us.
I'll trust you. This time.
I'm in. Yay.
I remember this one.
So yeah, we got the game together last night. Most of the models and audio and sound effects. We got some professional voice work done by a friend that dropped by, who works at Yle and does some actual voice acting. So we can say there's something professional in this game. And when you...
professional gameplay from me, at least. So, do you want me to get to further point?
I'll show you some Easter eggs.
Easter eggs, okay.
So now we reveal the nature of the world.
Oh.
This is a peek behind the curtain. And now we can speed walk to the finish. And now we are at the finish and we can see the ending screen. Okay, it broke. So no end screen for us. Too bad. And what is this color? Yay, more bugs.
Yay. Do you want to say something else? No? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, yes. Alright, let's move on. So, team number 9, keep it simple. Let's see what kind of game they made. Here's a gameplay video.
Hello. So, for context, I only started like my coding journey this year, and Gamejam was mostly about the opportunity to see learned enough to make an actual game. So, being the sole coder in this project, I was kind of pleased that there wasn't actually any kind of like obstacles that I could not solve, or kind of like no road blocking here. I'm sure there's like a ton of memory leaks and on hidden bugs that I couldn't like see, but I guess that's the nature of all Gamejam games. But yeah, I think I will do something a bit more ambitious next time, since this didn't like. I guess there was a bit of a challenge, but it was quite sufficient, and I think do something more a bit bigger next time.
Yes, thank you. Okay, next up we have Team 10, Ploppy. I think they didn't have... Okay, do you want to still say something about the game? Yeah, okay, so they almost got it, but it was a bit too challenging to make. But that's like game jams, you don't know what you're about to do, and there might be some obstacles on the way, and it's kind of a learning experience. So it's cool that you participated and probably learned something too during the exam. So let's give applause for Team 10 as well. Nice. Okay, Team 11, Mirrored Realities. I think this might be the old name because it's Double Dino Dash, but I think there was a gameplay video here. Nice. Nice. Do we have anyone from this team here? Okay. Non-present and don't want to come to stage. That's alright. Let's give a round of applause for Double Dino Dash. Then we have... Oh, it's the frog game. Okay. I've been waiting for this. Nice. Do we have anyone from this team here? Yes, come to the stage. Nice. I'll mute the video and you can come talk over it. And make sure the microphone is like right next to your mouth. Yes.
Yeah. I originally set out to make this game completely alone. I only had an idea that I wanted to make a game where you can shoot with a frog and his tongue. And I had made like the frog gun like in the first day, but then I started making the enemy bees, and I realized that I can't just code with ChatGPT. So, to my surprise, out of nowhere, this guy Eero comes to my computer place, and he becomes my programmer. And he was amazing. He made the whole enemy AI, and I kind of made the other things, animations for the bees and shooting. And at first for this idea I thought the theme was a bit restrictive. I didn't know what to do. But then my dad had the great idea to make the other side that you can also shoot with the other side of the frog.
That works, yes.
Yeah. And one funny thing that when I was making a gameplay video for this, I tried for an hour to record a good one, but I accidentally made the game a bit too hard. It's like Dark Souls with frogs and bees. It's insanely hard. In that hour, I managed to complete it once, and I forgot to press record.
Oh no.
But there is a very I can't get the words, but a great ending screen. At the end there's like a Zika gate. There's Zikas jumping over and you get a cool victory screen. You free the frog from his abusive life.
So if you're up for a challenge, go try to find the Zika gate in the Frog Slinger, right? Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for Frog Slinger game. Nice. Okay. Next up we have Sapasu and Shadow People. Samuel isn't here. Probably listening to Petro still. Oh, let's go backwards. But we have a video. I think it will include Petro. Yes. Nice. So yeah, because someone else is here, we can give a round of applause for Petro. I think he still has the 10-hour loop of Petro playing on his speaker, like headphones while he's sleeping. That's like beautiful. Okay, next up we have no name yet. I think we got a name for this game, but I still can't remember it. But yeah, we made a visual novel. I can show a short video clip of it. So I think I can tell a little bit about the game. Yeah. So in the game you are faced with these 5 different creatures, and you can talk with them, and you have to decide like who of these 5 you will let out of the prison. But the more you talk with them, the more they will start to reveal hidden facts about each other and what they have done. So it starts to get harder to kind of choose between the characters. And there are branching narrative. You can kind of choose like which option you want to ask the character, and that moves forward the plot to that direction. You get the information about the thing you asked. I made the code and Luna made the graphics and story, and yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell, I think. Yay! And then we have to the other side. I think there was video of it here. Yes. Yay. Do we have members from this team? Yes, Vesna, come to the stage. I can start the video again.
Yes, hello. I made this game alone because just so happened that the first day of the jam I was sick, so I was not doing anything. And then I came and I had this idea that I saw in a fever dream that there is a Grim Reaper and you're a tiny soul and you're like on the 2 sides of the lake. And basically you need to go to the finish line at the same time with a Grim Reaper, even though he moves twice as fast as you. In the end, it was pretty fun because I learned the Game Maker. And that's something that I wanted to do for a very long time, so I'm very happy with the result. And because I really wanted to make the game as polished as possible while keeping it pretty small and simple. There are like 5 levels, but there is also a cutscene, there is also an ending, there is music, all of the art is original and stuff. So yes, I'm very happy with it.
Thank you. That's very cool. Yes, okay. I think that might actually be all of the themes we had so far. So actually, let's give one round of applause for everyone. I will quickly send one Discord message that we can get the video to the chat. Yes. So, because the jam is ending, we will still have the ending compilation video that has been made from all of your games, which is being shown at the ending ceremony of assembly, which is happening at 1, I think. And but if we can get it now, I can also show it here. But first of all, I think after this long weekend, after all the hard work you've been doing, I think it's really good time to say thanks everyone, especially jammers. So we've been applauding a lot. Let's applause for you again. This year we had a lot of participants. That's cool. We almost sold out our table. That's really nice that we can keep the assembly game jam going and have so many participants. And you are the people who make the jam happen. We organize it, but there is no jam without the jammers. So that it's cool that you participated and made something beautiful during this weekend. That's really cool. And of course, thanks to volunteers. Without your help, we couldn't organize this and build the event. So let's thank the volunteers and organizers, and especially Lisa, who will come to the stage apparently. Yes. So Lisa was the main organizer previously, and they gave me the role this year.
But we also need to make a big thanks for Kuti, who picked it up and made the magic happen again. So thank you so much, because it's really special event, and I think each one of you felt really this piece of warmth that ex-organizer, existing organizer were spreading to you guys. So thank you, Kuti, you were amazing.
Yay. And special thank you to some of the volunteers couldn't make it to this ending ceremony because either they're asleep or watching over the table. So a special shout out to Jenna and Samuel and others who aren't here at the moment. Yay.
Yes. Jenna, thank you. Jon, thank you. What else we had? Arttu.
Vesa, Samuel, Vesna. Am I forgetting someone? Lisa.
And some other probably hidden in the Discord from the VGJ side.
Yes, people. Sorry if I forgot about someone. I think that was everyone. I will do an extra special shout out if I forgot about someone. And of course, thanks Assembly. Without Assembly, we couldn't have Assembly Game Jam. So thanks for the Assembly people. Thanks for the technicians who make the sound
Yes,
and
thank you so much.
light happen. Hyvä tekniikka. Yeah. And yeah, hopefully and most likely Assembly Game Jam will be part of Assembly in the future as well. So all of you are invited to join us next year as well. And speaking of volunteering, if some of you are interested in how these events are organized and want to help build Assembly Game Jam, you are free to come volunteer next year and experience the sleepless nights on the organizing side of game jams. More people, the merrier. Always welcome new people to help build these events. And yeah, quick word about Finnish Game Jam. There were some people here who, to whom this was the first Game Jam ever. So Finnish Game Jam as an organization is hosting a lot of more game jams during the year. So if you're interested in what other game jams are happening in Finland, you can visit our site or the Discord, and you will get news about all the other cool game jam events that are happening in Finland. And yeah, that's pretty much Assembly Game Jam. Thank you, everyone. From this point onward, I think I can show the ending video if we have it. Here, because I didn't put it to a place where I could get it easily. Here, thank you, Enna. So we can watch the ending video. This is kind of spoilers for the ending ceremony, but it's for you guys. So you will get the first glimpse, you will see it first, yes. Actually, I don't even remember how this goes, though. This is kind of a first time for me to see things as well. Oh, it's buffering. Okay. It's... Yay! You made all of those games, so that's really cool. And yeah, as the video says, see you next year, hopefully. There's one last thing before you leave, or two last things before you leave. We will have a feedback form on the Discord and on like other channels. If you have some feedback about the jam, would love to hear that, because we want to make the event as good as possible for the jammers, and we are open to hear any thoughts you have about the jam. Help it make better for yourself. And as I promised on other presentations, there's something special for the jammers who came here. So if you participated in the jam, we have a special envelope with mysterious stuff in it, which you can open at home, and it will kind of be a memory of this game jam, and it's for everyone. And you can come grab it from the stage here. Lisa will be helping me with distributing these.
You survived so far. This is a nice perk.
Yes. So thank you for the jam, and see you next year. Yay. So come to the stage, you will get a mystery thing. Ooh, what's on the other side of the envelope? Ooh.